The proposed changes in Consumer Protection Act, 2019. Why this topic matters, friends. Every day, we are all consumers. Whether you buy groceries, book a train ticket, order food online, purchase a mobile phone, take a loan, buy insurance, or subscribe to digital services, you are exercising your consumer rights. But what happens when you receive a defective product? An online seller refuses a refund? A service provider makes false promises? Hidden charges are imposed without consent? The Consumer Protection Act, 2019, provides a modern legal framework for consumer rights, and proposals for future amendments, proposed changes, aim to strengthen protections in digital markets, e-commerce, misleading advertisements, and fast grievance redressal. This video explains the Consumer Protection Act, 2019 and the proposed changes explained under future amendments, rules, and regulatory developments. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Legal Information Law Insights. I am Advocate Mukund Mahajan. This topic is extremely important in today's era of online shopping, digital payments, misleading advertisements, and e-commerce platforms. Important legal clarification. A draft Consumer Protection Amendment Bill has been prepared to amend the Consumer Protection Act, 2019, but it has not yet been officially introduced in Parliament and therefore does not have the force of law. Today, we will understand what is new in the Consumer Protection Framework, how it empowers consumers, and how you can practically use these rights. Background evolution of consumer law in India. Earlier, India followed the Consumer Protection Act, 1986, which was useful but outdated. Then came the Consumer Protection Act, 2019, which recognized e-commerce, introduced product liability, created the Central Consumer Protection Authority, CCPA. Now, with the rapid growth of online marketplaces, influencer marketing, digital payments, AI-based services, the new Consumer Protection Framework focuses on stronger enforcement, digital accountability, and consumer empowerment. Key features of Consumer Protection Act, 2019 Framework proposed changes. 1. Strong action against unfair trade practices. Unfair trade practices will clearly include fake reviews, paid or misleading influencer promotions, false, limited period offers, manipulative pricing algorithms, dark patterns used in apps and websites. Consumers can legally challenge these practices. 2. Strict control over misleading advertisements. Under the proposed strengthened law, advertisers, manufacturers, brand endorsers, social media influencers can all be held personally liable for misleading advertisements. Penalties include heavy fines, ban on endorsements, corrective advertisements. Celebrities and influencers will no longer escape responsibility. 3. Product liability, a major power for consumers. If a product is defective, causes injury, causes financial loss, is unsafe or wrongly designed, then the manufacturer, seller, and service provider can all be made liable. This applies to electronics, vehicles, medical devices, food products, online purchases. 4. Empowerment in e-commerce transactions. After the proposed amendments, e-commerce platforms must display complete seller information, provide clear refund and return policies, avoid unfair cancellation charges, ensure grievance officers are accessible. Consumers will be able to directly approach forums even against online marketplaces, not just sellers. 5. Fast and digital consumer dispute redressal. The framework strengthens e-dakhil portals, online hearings, paperless filing, time-bound disposal of complaints. Consumers can file complaints from home, without hiring a lawyer, if they wish, at the place of their residence. 6. Stronger role of CCPA, Central Consumer Protection Authority. The CCPA has the power to order product recalls, stop misleading advertisements, impose penalties, protect consumer interests at a national level. This authority acts proactively, even without individual complaints. Who can file a consumer complaint? A complaint can be filed by an individual consumer, a group of consumers, consumer associations, government authorities. Even small-value disputes are protected under the law. Consumer forum structure strengthened. District Consumer Commission, State Consumer Commission, National Consumer Commission. Jurisdiction is decided based on value of goods or services. Compensation claimed. Practical examples: online shopping refund denied, defective mobile phone, insurance claim rejection without reason, misleading real estate advertisements, hidden bank charges, fake discounts during sale. All these are consumer disputes under the framework. Why this act will be a game changer? Consumer-centric, digital-friendly, strong deterrence against unfair practices, quick justice, affordable access. The law now stands firmly on the side of the consumer. Important message for viewers. Friends, law becomes powerful only when citizens are aware of their rights. This act is not just a statute, it is a shield for every Indian consumer. Conclusion: if you understand and use your consumer rights, businesses will behave responsibly. Markets will become fair. Justice will reach the common man. If you found this information useful, please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you can receive more important legal videos on time. If you wish to support this educational initiative further, YouTube provides a thanks option below the video. Any contribution is entirely voluntary and assists in continuing the creation of quality legal awareness content. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon in the next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.